Hi, I'm Alex, and today I'm going to be attempting to unbox the Nokia 8000. I say attempting because this is my second video trying to unbox this phone. In my first video, I completely messed it up, and I don't think I'll be putting that up at all, though I might put some comedy clips on another video. When I was going through this, I was trying to put my SIM card in. I didn't read the instructions. It's been many years since I put a SIM card into a phone like this. I ended up cutting myself, blood was going everywhere, and I ended up breaking the phone and sending it back. So this is the second phone that I've got. And if you watch this video for no other reason and you're looking to get this phone, then please pay careful attention to how to put the SIM card into this phone. Before I actually unbox the phone, I just want to talk about why you might want to get a Nokia 8000 in 2021. I mean, this phone was just under £80. I think it's about 80 euros. So, you know, it's at the price where you can get a semi-decent budget smartphone for that price. So you're certainly not buying this phone because it will do everything you need it to do. But in a world where your phone can do absolutely everything, I mean, the phone, my daily driver is a a Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus 5G. It does absolutely everything, really fast, really speedy. The issue with it is that it's addictive. I mean, if I look at my stats, typically I've been on it for a few hours every day. And you know, you pick it up for a reason, and you end up half an hour later going, I wanted to check an email, look at the time or whatever it was. So two main reasons that you might want to consider this phone in 2021 is if you're trying to go for a tech detox or minimalize your technology life, and that's certainly the reason that I'm looking into getting it. The other is smartphones, in that they do everything, aren't the simplest of devices. And if you're looking for a simpler life, you might want more of an old-fashioned phone where you can just dial the number and it sort of receives texts, makes phone calls, and for both those reasons, I'm going to give this phone a go. I think the other reason I've gone for Nokia as opposed to other phones out there that are similar to this is a bit of nostalgia. Back in the day, Nokia were the company that made these types of mobile phones. And I thought, if you're going to go for a brand, I think there's definitely been a nostalgia element in choosing that. So, with an explanation of why you might want to consider getting this phone underway, I'm going to see if we can unbox it successfully and get it set up. So, I've got a knife here because I think it's a really very simple unboxing because this is how it comes. There really is almost nothing to unbox. There's a bit here, so I'll just cut this open here. There we go, nice and simple. You can open that. So it's split into two bits. It says, oh, slight pull there, so let's be careful with that. We take this off. If I cut off the other end as well, there we go. So let's get this sorted. So we've split it into two parts. We've got the phone here, which I'll take out in a minute, and then we've got an actual box. Should be able to open that here. So inside the box, let's have a look what we've got. We've got a charger, which if you're looking for a new Apple device is something you might not see. It's not a USB-C charger. It's an older USB-C. An older USB type device, so we've got that there. We've got a quick guide to the Nokia 8000 4G. So let's have a little look. Nothing overly exciting here, apart from, which I didn't pay enough attention to last time. It does say it's got a micro SD card slot, and importantly, it tells you how to put the SIM card in. So I'll leave that there. I'll move that there. Is there anything else in this box? I'll open it the other way just to check. Right, okay, yeah, importantly, we've got the battery, because that comes separately, and then we haven't got anything else, we've got an empty box here. So I'm going to need the battery, so I'll take that out there. And then if we take this out here, I think this will, push this out, there we go. So I've got rid of this case here. I think we can just turn that over there. So it's quite well packaged. And if I just push this out here, then we've got the phone itself. So quite plasticky, it's nice, it feels nice enough. Importantly, it hasn't got a battery or a SIM card in, so I'm just going to pull that up there so the back comes off. So I'm just going to find my SIM card, which is over here. And this is what I didn't get correct last time I attempted to open the phone. So I'm going to read the instructions, and it says slide that there, and you've heard a click. So that seems to do work. So that should now lift up here, and that's all worked. And let's have a little look. I think there's a little diagram of the SIM card there. So we'll put that there. Should be able to fold this gently over and hopefully, I have to say, this is the second time I've now done this. If you're used to a modern smartphone where you put a pin in, this is much more difficult. That's clicked over, so that seems to be in place. And then we'll just put the battery in. There we go. And I'll put the back on. So the back is just, seems to be, there we go. So the back, the whole phone is just plastic. It feels weighty enough, feels nice enough to hold in the hand. It just feels like it's a plastic phone. The power button is on the top here. So press that, see if it's got a charge. So it's saying Kai OS. Let's see how long it takes. It says Nokia. Let's have a little look. No idea what to expect. It's been a very long time since I've had any phone like this. Probably, I don't know, well over 10 years since I think I've had smartphones. The iPhone came out about 10, 11 years ago, I think. I have to say, listening to that nostalgic Nokia tune, the speaker doesn't sound that great. Need a little bit of patience here because, there we go. So it does come with some battery. What I'll do is I'll go through the setup and essentially, in terms of the unboxing experience of the Nokia 8000, that's been it and simple. I'll set this up and I'll let you know how it goes. If you've got any questions with regard to this phone, please stick them in the comments and I'll try my hardest to get them answered. Thank you very much for watching. I've been Alex. Until next time, thanks.